And then right here we'll just keep putting some weed killer like this. Alrighty guys, so we got the little small setup here. We got the mower and the blower. I need to go get the weed eater real quick. And we got some weed spraying to do today. We only have 3 properties. Today is a Saturday. And yeah. So yeah guys, we have 3 properties to do right now. These properties, we do them weekly. And what we're basically doing this year is all around the winter we have property maintenance. So even if the grass doesn't have to be you know, cut, you know, there's still shrubs to be trimmed. There's still leaves to, you know, be picked up. We do weed spraying as well weekly. What else? You know, picking up debris on some of the homes, you know. So I kind of just wanted to, you know, bring you along so y'all can see what we do. So like I said, these properties right here that we're gonna be seeing today, they're actually weekly properties that we do. So you'll see what I do on these properties. And we started a little bit later today. As you can see, it's around 10:30. Usually on the weekends I like to start a little bit later, maybe like 9:30, 10:30ish. You know, if I have you know, 1 to 3 lawns, then I'll start a little bit later, you know. And now if I have more than 10 yards in one day, then I'll start really early at around like 7:30. You know, by 8 o'clock we'll be in our first lawn. And that's you know, that's on the weekdays. On the weekends I like to respect people's times. I know a lot of people like to party on the weekends, you know, a lot of people don't like waking up early on the weekends. You know, they're tired from their jobs, and I totally understand that. So that's why we do it a little bit later. Also, I know a lot of people want to get into this business, but not knowing what to expect, guys. It's really easy. It's really to get into the business. It's just really hard to maintain, because you have to have good customer service. You have to have good you know, good quality services. You know, always keep up with your clients. And you know, you have to find a system in place for you to, you know, tell the clients that you're on your way, you know, to invoicing and all that. So but like I said, it's really easy, guys. Anybody could get into this. And if you're looking for like a little side thing to do on the weekends to make, you know, extra money, I mean, you could go ahead and go to the lawn care route. It's just like I said, all you need is a blower, weed eater, and a mower, a small mower, and you know, of course, your gas cans. And yeah, I mean, you'll be up and running. Cheers, guys. So as you can see right there, we took maybe about an hour to trim those shrubs and remove all that poison ivy from the house. So yeah, guys, roughly in a house like that, we charge monthly for the months of November, December, and January, right? We do property maintenance in those 3 months. That's what I've been doing. That's what we've been doing this year as well. You know, try to practice more property maintenance so we could, you know, keep some work and keep the money flowing in, you know, for the winter season. I know a lot of customers don't like, you know, getting their yards mowed. So what we do is offer property maintenance. So and something like that, in a house like that, we're on the average, we're charging anywhere from $200 to $400 a month doing property maintenance. And basically what we do is we just come and look for work you know, if we see some shrubs that need to be trimmed, then we'll go ahead and trim them. And you know, like that. Next week we'll go ahead and do, and we'll go ahead and clean out the beds, de-weed all the beds, and you know, throw in some weed killer in there. Like I said, guys, this has been working for me since last year. We have maybe about 10 properties to maintain during the you know, winter season, whenever the grass starts slowing down. And you know, we always upsell property maintenance. You know, things that we couldn't do in the mowing season, we actually do in the winter season. You know, cutting back small trees, you know, picking up leaves, picking up debris, de-weeding beds, you know, and things like that. You know, not all your properties are gonna be as neglected as some of the properties that we're doing right now. As you can see, the next one that we're gonna be doing, I'll go ahead and post a picture up here so you could take a look on how it was. You know, and like we're doing right now is just try to keep them maintained and you know, keep them looking neat. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and do this property. We literally just mowed this property last Friday, and it's already growing. So this property right here, like I said, we maintain it weekly. Since it rained yesterday, we're not gonna go ahead and mow, but we're gonna go ahead and spray some weed killer. I'm gonna spray. There's a whole bunch of rocks right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray from there all the way over here. So let's go ahead and spray. Starting over there. Yeah, there's a lot of debris right here, so I'm gonna spray the whole thing. Make sure it dies. Starting from like right here. And I just go like this. And then give me a battery operated backpack sprayer. There's a lot of debris, a lot of poison ivy too. And you know, talk it over with your customers. This customer, he's like, he doesn't mind if I spray any chemicals on his property. He's like, you know, do what you gotta do. You know, do what you gotta do to make this lawn look, or this, you know, piece of land look somewhat decent. As you can see, the pictures that I put earlier, this lot was really big. I mean, this grass was really big. And then right here, we'll just keep putting some weed killer like this. And this property right here, guys, we charge approximately anywhere from $400 to $600 a month to keep maintained, and that's at a weekly rate. What I'm thinking too, transitioning all my customers next year to weekly maintenance, because it's a bit easier for us. You know, less stress on the machines as well. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here, and then so y'all won't get bored. Like I said, this is just a vlog video. I'll see you right now in the truck. So yeah, guys, we literally took maybe like 20 minutes to do that little spraying job. Next week we'll go ahead and mow that property, and you know, just try to keep it maintained. Like I said, it was really overgrown whenever we did that that property. I kind of wanted to get it on video, but man, it was just a lot of work. And at the time, I think there was like maybe a car in there, I believe. I'll post a video somewhere up here. And but yeah, that job was tough. So now all we're doing is just trying to keep it maintained. you know, try to get the city of Houston out of sight, and that's what we've been doing. So yeah, this next property that we're gonna be doing is a basic mow and a basic, you know, little bit of leaf cleaning. And like I said, I'm just, you know, showing you what we're doing right now. If you want to see mowing videos, I'll post, you know, links on the description down below. Like I said, this is just like a vlog. If you want to watch any mowing videos, you could watch our channel. We have plenty of those in there. And yeah, guys. Like I was saying, in this last yard that we did last week, we went ahead and pruned those two little trees in the front. And for a property like this, you could charge anywhere from $200 to $300 a month for property maintenance. Of course, you know, during the winter season. Or you could charge a little bit cheaper too, depending on what area you're at, or you could charge a little bit more, you know. It all depends on what you're trying to do with your business, guys. Like I said, around this time, my business gets slow, so I tend to at least, you know, push out the property maintenance. And for the people that want it, then, you know, we go ahead and do it. And then for the people that don't, then, you know, you cannot force anybody to do something they don't want to do. So yeah, guys, if you like these kinds of videos, me explaining a little bit more about, you know, how to keep your business you know, running during the winter time whenever everything starts slowing down. I know a lot of people do you know, gutter cleaning too. They do gutter cleaning, they do mulch installs, leaf cleanups, you know, fence cleanups. What else? You know, debris pickup. There's so much things to do in the winter, guys, for you to stay busy. Now, if you want to take the winter off, you know, and you have some income, you know, saved up from the mowing season, then you could do that too. Now, here in Houston, you know, we do not have snow, so we don't you know, use snow plowers. We don't do any snow removal here in Houston. But I know up, you know, upstate in the you know, up north, upstate, they do a lot of snow plowing, you know, snow removals, Christmas lights as well. You could do money doing Christmas lights. There's a lot of stuff to do in the winter season to keep your company running. And yeah, guys, so if you like these kinds of videos, just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you like watching mowing videos, I have a couple of mowing videos in my channel you can watch. But yeah, guys, like I said, if you like, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.